Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get 1095 a form from Ambetter. We will also put links in the description below. To start, open the website ambetterhealth.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, click on Member. To log in, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Also enter your password, then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see a button that says Access Your Tax Forms. Click on Access Your Tax Forms. Now you will see two forms, 1095A and 1095B. Make sure to select the 1095A form. Then at the lower part of the page, you will see a hyperlink that says healthcare.gov. Click on healthcare.gov. Next, log in to your healthcare account. Then once you're logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to access and get your 1095A form. That's how you get a 1095A form from Ambetter. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.